Hey guys, Ali from ALTA Racks. How are you? It's getting cold out here. Ski season started already, and we got our roof rack adapter breaking out. We got a lot of emails and questions, so I figured we should do a quick video showing you the measurements and stuff. This setup is with the roof rack adapter and the short main beam. This is a product that we don't advertise, that we've been developing for a while, and actually we've been selling it too, kind of by request, but we're gonna update the website here soon, and we're going to have all these products on there because we're going to have a couple of different approaches to carrying your skis. Where we're going to offer the roof rack adapter, we're also going to have a vertical mount roof rack adapter that's going to mount to the vertical post, but that's on the full size post, and we'll do another video for that. We just finished that design, sent it to Patacoat, break that out on Friday at Snowbird. So if you're at Snowbird, look for the van, you're going to see the new carrier. Just a quick measurements. This is the roof rack adapter. This is the current one. You're looking at 31 inches. I think we're growing the next one to 32 inches just to accommodate longer ski carriers or anything wider. And this is split pretty evenly. So you're looking at about 16 inches protrusion, about 15 to 16 inches protrusion off each side off of your top bar. Where that puts you is about where your hitch is coming out of your receiver. So if you wanted to kind of reference, hey, if I put the ski carriers, if I have a box here or a van or anything set up here, how do I accommodate about that? You want to make sure you do have this clearance. Obviously you can always run an extender to get another 9 to 11 inches of that clearance out there, but generally these roof rack adapters will slide on, and you can adjust the location of these. So you can set them up for any length. So if you have the E-Quattro or the lefty or anything like that, it doesn't really matter. And a double knob, no tool as well. Then you got your ski clamp that opens up and closes. Another fashion that I carry these in, that you can also do, that you can put these on the top bar and flip them this way. So this allows you actually to carry bikes too if you wanted to. And you put the skis in this way. It's not the easiest loading and unloading probably, but if you lower it, it helps a little bit. But yeah, if you wanted to do a vertical fashion, in that fashion, you can also run these ski adapters. The top bar itself is about 19 inches. That's what you're looking at, the height. So it's gonna put this top bar, or the main beam is about 19 inches. It's gonna put that top bar is about your waist high. So if you're gonna run a box on these roof rack adapters, which you can, this is what this top bar is made for. So it's completely flush, nothing's protruding. So when you put the roof rack adapter on, you can slam the box right on and run the box low, which is really nice. Now the box will sit about your chest high and you can access it, get skis in and out super easy, and it's hidden behind the vehicle. Hopefully this was some helpful information for you. We'll have the vertical out by Friday in a couple of days, so we'll do another video then. Have a great day, y'all.